Hey everyone, welcome to Beginner Bits. In this video, we are going to learn how to check the type of a variable in Python and also how to change the type of a variable in Python. So, let's get started. First, let's create our Python file. Now, we will take an example. So this is our example. Now if we want to check the type of this variable, we are going to use a type function, type of a. This is the function to check a variable's type. Now we can print this directly from here, but let's say we first assign it to a variable. So we have assigned the type of a in this b variable. So if we print b now, this should show us the type of variable a. Let's see. First let me clear this. Now if we run this, see, this is a class str, means this is a string. Now if we give a number here, let's say 55, now if we run this, this should be a class integer. Now if we give a decimal number like this, this should give us a floating type number. Let's say we give here a boolean number. What happens now? This should give us bool. So there you go, we have this class boolean. Now let's say we have a number inside this quotation. What will be the type of this variable a? If you guessed it a string, then you are right, because anything inside this quotation will be count as a string. Let's print this. So there you go, this is a string. Now let's say we want to change the type of this variable. We can see this is a string because the number is inside this quotation. We can change its type, but remember, there is a condition to change the type of a variable. It must be valid. Let's say we have a name here. Let's say this is a name. Now if we want to change the type of this variable to a integer, this won't work. Why? Because this is clearly a word, this is not a number, so the output cannot provide us any number. That's why we can't change this string to a integer or floating number. So first remember, we can only change the type of a variable if it is valid. Now let's see how to do that. Let's say we have 55 inside this quotation and this is now a string. Now we want to change the type of this variable. First let's create another variable, let's say c equal to, now inside this c we want to store the changed type of a. So if we want to change this string to a integer, we can use int, then int of a, and we can also change its type to a floating point number. Let's say c equal to float of a. First let's see what happens with this c. For that we need to print this. Now let's say print c. Now if we print, both of these will be printed, but we want one now. So let's just comment out this. You can simply just go to any line and press Ctrl and / to comment out the line. First we will see the first one. Let's see. So now if we print c, the output should say what's the value of this in integer form, but we want to know the type. So let's again type, let's say d equal to type of c. Now if we print d, this should show us the type of c, which is an integer form of a. Let's see what happens now. So you see, the first we have this b printed, then we have printed this d. D means this c is an integer form of a. So we have printed this integer. This is not complex. First, let's make it easier. I will remove these two so that you can understand easily. Now we have this a variable where we have this 55 inside this quotation, so this is a string. Now we have this c where we have tried to change its type to an integer, so this is how we can change its type to another type. So we use int of a, so the type of this a should be changed in an integer now. So we want to check the type, that's why we are using this another variable d, and we have stored the type of c inside this d variable. Now if we print this d, the output should be an integer. Let's see, there you go, we have this integer. So that's how we change type of a variable in Python. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.